not about the friends you go with, or the rocks, creeks, and springs that you find, or even taking your dog along for the journey. To me, it's about getting out and finding a new meaning of peace every weekend. Being in nature rejuvenates the soul, refreshes the mind, and allows you to find yourself. First creek crossing.
Quickly, my truck's filling up.
I am stuck.
Woohoo! Finally! Slow! Why not stop?
I'm getting stressed.
Woohoo!
Hold on, watch that rock right there. Way to go, two-wheel drive. You killed it.
We're currently packing up because, I don't know if you can see back behind me, a bunch of cars have showed up in our camp. So we're gonna go find a different spot, somewhere more secluded, and yeah, let's get to it. Alrighty, I am ready to go.
Rolling. Rawhide. I'm really ticked off I didn't fly the drone.
It's hot. In the water. Some of us overlanders like to camp in large groups, and some of us, well, we would rather allow some time to go out with a buddy or two and separate ourselves from the crowd. And with it being Memorial Day weekend, that was not easy to do.
You and me, let's get together now, you'll see just how this life is supposed to be. Come on. Oh.
So after an exchange of words with a group of campers who helped themselves to where we decided to park for the day, we decided that we would, in true overlanding fashion, go explore and find ourselves a new campsite, and possibly one even better. After feeling the success of landing an epic spot near the Union Schoolhouse, we took in the beauty of the location, cooked up some delicious food, and called it a night. Alright guys, so I want to catch you guys up on how we ended up at this spot. So you may remember we were at a different one where Chris and Seth were fishing. Seth was jumping off the rope swing. Well, in that spot we had somebody show up and we did not want them there, so we decided that we would leave and go find somewhere else. And finding spots on Memorial Day weekend is not easy to do, but we managed to come near the Union Schoolhouse and got this awesome spot off the creek. We're like surrounded by creeks all the way around us, and I believe it's the Little Piney. So we're gonna enjoy the rest of the weekend. Happy Memorial Day, and I'll see you guys later. Going back to exploring, we had one goal in mind this weekend, maybe two. We wanted to be at a campsite that was perfect for catch and release fishing and a chance to get our feet wet and go for a swim in the ice-cold Little Piney. So what's this about not cooking?
So whoever is the last person left that didn't catch a fish has to cook, and it's not me. So it's Seth.
Because I caught one too.
That's right. Look at that pretty little thing.
So if you don't know, Seth lost the competition, so he's having to cook our dinner.
I am making, oh, it's gone. It disappeared. I'm making Zataran's red beans and rice for both viewers here.
Nice. Well, I can't wait.
With some Cajun style andouille.
Sounds delicious to me. Let's get her done.
All right, sounds good. We'll be back soon.
After a weekend of catching fish, getting our feet wet, and making some amazing meals cooked by the loser of the fishing competition, we woke up on Memorial Day, said our goodbyes to an amazing campsite, and headed back home to spend time with the family. It's been real. Now it's time to go home. Special thanks to Fast Track Overland. Gear I use: Cascadia Vehicle Tents, Prince Who Roof Rack Designs, Rome Adventure Company, Baja Design Lighting, Northwest Trail Innovations, Midland Radios, Renogy Solar Systems, RCI Off-Road Bed Racks, Rotopax Recovery, Dometic Coolers, Max Trax Recovery, and Coastal Off-Road. If you would like to purchase any Eagles Overlanding merchandise, visit longcreekoverland.com.